Yo, what is up everyone, it's StuNT here and welcome to a brand new episode of the build series where we're turning this Derbi Senda into a StuNT Supermoto. And today I have some huge things to show you guys, and we're gonna do some big things in this video, so if you're excited, if you want to see more of this, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and let's get straight into this video. Starting off, what happened since last video is like, it's not a lot. I mean the engine is in here, I don't think it was in there last time. It's in there, it works, we have test drove it. I can show you guys a video right here. Yeah, that's how it sounds. It needs a new muffler and everything. That's going to happen. But for right now, the dual calipers in the back is mounted. I just need to mount my handbrake. I'm waiting for a clutch of eBay it's gone missing. So yeah, hopefully that comes in. But today we're gonna change up the front tire, and we're also gonna try, hopefully if my parts come in, we are going to change up this front headlight with a new thing on here, so that's gonna be awesome. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So I'm really excited to see, like, I've done this once and I don't remember how to do it. So we take this cap off, yeah, we take this nut off right here, and then we like kind of like hammer it out. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just really excited to be back recording. I mean, I got 2 days off school, so I'm just so excited to be here just recording, chilling, vibing, and I needed 19 or something. Now this nut is off. For some reason we had these stone things right here. It's super convenient to put stuff in, and that flies chilling here as well. It's all good, you know, it's all good. So now be able to take this out, but first the caliper needs to be detached. I would say that's a 13, but I'm gonna bring a 15 as well, because like you never know. But I got a amazing project in mind, and that's why I want Vivacity to be sold ASAP, because I need money to build another project. It's not gonna be a stunt bike, it's not gonna be a Supermoto, and it's not gonna be a scooter. You can guess in the comment section down below what you think it is that I want to build, but I need the scooter to be gone so I have money for it. It's gonna be an interesting project. Like 1 week ago I would never see myself build one of these, but you know, things changed. I mean, like, now I want to build one, so we need to change the brake pads because I ordered new ones. Fuck, that won't work. I'm just so stupid. I forgot to loosen these things right there, the clamps. So you can take this as a tutorial. You can watch every step I do right, and then follow along. If you're gonna follow along this video, please watch the entire video first, and then attempt this on your own bike. There you go, one, and I think there's not one on the other side. Right, okay. Now this will hopefully be a little bit easier. Okay, let's see. There you go, now that was way easier. Now we just need to somehow get that thing out here. Or we just take one of these. There we had like a spacer, and here we have a random nut. Okay. There you go. And I would recommend to put everything back onto the axle like this, just so you know that everything is supposed to be here. This makes it your life way easier when you put it back together. There you go. This is a 21-inch front wheel. It's supposed to be a dirt bike tire because this is the R version of the SM, which means it's like a dirt bike-ish look, and the wheels are supposed to be dirt bike-ish. But now we're doing 18-18 instead of 18-21, so it's gonna be more street-like. This is going to lower the bike in the front, because look at the difference between these tires. The only thing that's gonna suck is that this thing is like a fresh new tire. This thing is like a really old tire that's like all the stickiness has gone off with. But look at the difference. Like we're gonna lower the bike with this much. It's gonna be huge. But we need to take off this brake pad, put it on this wheel, because look at how tiny this brake pad is right here, and it's rusty and stuff. So yeah, I don't know how it's gonna be with the pattern with the bolts against the hub, because here you can see there's a lot of small ones, and here's the 4 big ones. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to wait until my dad gets home, and we're gonna do this together. It's not gonna be filmed because he doesn't want to be on film. Yo, what's up everyone? This is day 2. Me and my dad worked on the bike a bit yesterday when he got home, so the wheel is now on. We need to change up the forks because the fitment is not right, so we're gonna use the forks which this thing like this, the hub or whatever you call it, it's gonna be up here instead. So it's gonna be looking really unique. It's gonna be special because we couldn't really make the wheel work with the brake pad and stuff like that. Brake caliper and brake disc, not the brake pads, whatever. But this wheel is on. I mean, it looks really sick with the Supermoto wheel. But now, today, I decided I want to do something that looks good today. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put on this dirty front fender right here. And then we're going to try to mount my Dirtbike number plate, number pad, whatever you want to call it, on here. So the light is going to go away. So you guys see how that goes. And also I have bought some blinkers yesterday, some indicators like to go here. So you could like test mount them to see how everything looks. So that can be really excited for today. Hopefully you're excited. And let's get straight into it. Alright, so here we go. Here is my YC 250, 125, whatever you want to call it. It's a Yamaha YC dirt bike number pad. And we're going to have a LED ramp in here, but that's for another video. So it's going to be awesome. So now let's take off this and let's test mount this. And I'm going to attempt to still have the speedometer because that's kind of nice to have on. Rest in peace, my thing. So I take the cutters. I think this is the bad one, but hopefully it will work. So let's see. Wait, we don't even need to take these things off because I'm still gonna use this to mount the indicators. So we're gonna take this off as a screwdriver. You guys, I'm just so excited to be back working on this bike. Like, it's February now. I mean, we're halfway through February. I think it's like the 12th or something right now. So I really need to like finish this bike up so I can ride soon. Because like the snow and everything's melted, it's probably gonna get more snow, but like snow is starting to melt. It starts feeling like spring again. And I need something to put these things in. But yeah, I'm really excited. And I'm really excited to see how this looks. And also why I'm wondering if a paper here saying don't touch is because the pads are out of the caliper. So I usually just press the brakes. If I put a paper there, I would remember to not press the brake. But it's kind of annoying to be there, but whatever. It's saving my brake caliper. Well, that one is hard to get to. Maybe if I do like this, I can. Yeah. There we go. Grab this, and the light plastic is off. Yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this build. And I mean, I've already pretty much bought everything I need for this bike, but let me know what I can do maybe. So, you know, I might get some other ideas. But let me know in the comment section down below. I'm not painting the bike like the plastics. I'm keeping them black because that's just the simplest way. But apparently we need to take these things off down here, and bam. And we need to take this thing off. Okay, I should probably take a picture of this. That's something I would recommend to you guys as well. If you unplug anything electrical, just take a picture. It's because sometimes you need it. So I usually save it in my Snapchat memories because if I lose my phone, I still have it. There you go. Bam. That's the light fair plastic, whatever you want to call it. Put it up here, and I'm thinking I'm first gonna mount this, and then we're gonna do the dirt bike pad. Because this thing has to be underneath, so it's easier to mount this first. Yeah, let's just do it that way. Yeah, this is really dirty, but I'm gonna wash it when it gets warmer outside. When I can bring the power washer out and stuff like that. So for right now it can be dirty, but that's all good because I'm not painting it, so it doesn't need to be. I mean, I really like this front fender. It's like a Supermoto style kind of like, I don't know, but I think it is. I mean, it definitely works with the speedometer. It doesn't look too weird. The only thing is that I probably won't be able to use my indicators that I bought for the front, which was the plan. But that's all good though. I can put them in the rear and put my big ones in the front. So this was supposed I was used in the rear, but I have to use them in the front because my other ones are 6 centimeters. They're mini blinkers. Yeah, this works. It kind of is like low key hidden down there, like this. Yeah, I guess that will work. And why are you using indicators if you get like one of these? Because it's simply, I think I wanted one of these, and my dad said you had to have indicators. So it's like, okay, good agreement. I get to do some cool stuff, and yeah, if I just to keep the indicators. It's just one of those weird agreements. It's all good, you know, but this one will look really sick on here. I'm not gonna mount it up because it's still a lot of things I need to get done. But dude, this will be sick. You have a LED ramp in there, like for real. Look at this. This is gonna be a thumbnail material right here. Might actually have to just roll it out. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Ah, no, my shoe. No, my shoe is stuck in there. Oh, R.I.P. my shoe. That's awesome. And also let's get one for Instagram. Yeah, if you haven't already, follow two-stroke rider memes on Instagram. If you're on Sweden, you like mopeds and you like jokes, follow us. I am a moderator there, so I'm taking care of the page, which is awesome. You guys just supporting that page, which is awesome. But yeah, let's take a picture for Instagram. Thanks. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. It's StuNT Moto. As I said, this is not done. I'm gonna get the light bar in here just to have some light. I don't want to ride it without the light because that's super scary, especially when it gets dark. Super scary. So I gotta get a light bar in there. That's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna fix this so it doesn't stick up to like March. And yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming in. Some things I'm waiting for as that I ordered from eBay, which is a new clutch lever and some new grips. That should come in so I can mount my handbrake, because we do actually have dual calipers mounted right now. Look at this, bro. Dual calipers, and all I need is just a handbrake. Then I can, like, okay, we gotta take off and paint them though, but yeah, dual calipers mounted, and then there's gonna be a hole in the fender, and the adapter for my muffler has come in, or my dad made it. Shout out to my dad, helped me out with this build. But yeah, huge things in the works. I'm really excited to show you guys what is gonna happen with this build. But Supermoto stunt build is going forward. It is happening right here, right now. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. If you want to see how we got to this point from this, be sure to check out my playlist, stunt build. It's a budget stunt build, 1,000 euros, including the purchase of this bike. I gotta learn how to do wheelies and stuff with this bike. So yeah, I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, stay awesome, be positive. It's been your boy StuNT, and I'm out. Peace!